G'day everyone, it's Curtis here and welcome to an on the back wheel video. This is the Aprilia RS660. The colour is black and this is the full power model. It also comes in a restricted version. A couple of quick highlights: the engine is a parallel twin making 100 horsepower and 67 newton meters of torque. The gearbox is a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch and an up and down quick shifter. The headlights are LED, the brakes are Brembo and the suspension is adjustable. The fairing has built-in aero and it comes with the brilliant Pirelli Rosso Corsa 2 tyres. We've got this nice TFT dash and a ton of electronics, including 5 engine maps, 3 of which are adjustable, and there's even cruise control. So pretty much the RS660 has all the bells and whistles. Overall, I think it is a fantastic looking motorcycle. I got the bike for 2 weeks, and at the end of those 2 weeks, I'll be doing a detailed review of the bike. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out the rest of my content. Okay, enough talking, let's see how it sounds. Spoiler alert, it sounds amazing.